Replacing values in numpy array. I2 numpy arrays, both m by n. X contains random values. Y contains true/false. Array contains indices for rows in X that need replacement, with the value -1. I want to only replace values where Y is true. Here is some code to do that. However, what I actually want is only replace some of the entries. List B contains how many need to be replaced for each index in A. It's already ordered, so a 0, 0 corresponds to B0, etc. Also, it's true that if AI equals K, then the corresponding row in Y has at least K trues. Then for each index I in loop. This doesn't work. Any ideas on a fix?
Unfortunately, I don't have an elegant answer. However, this works.
It is not clear what you want to do. Here is my understanding.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.